Boss Homer, good evening. Maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlak at syempre sa welcome na rin po. Parte na po kayo ng Abante Sports now and of course ng Billionaire Group. Sir, good evening sir. Ano po bang masasabi niyo sir sa naging championship run ng San Miguel at tingin niyo po ba possible ang Grand Slam lalo na ang ganda ng nilalaro pa rin ng core ng SMB ngayon?
Oh yeah, oo naman. I think the Philippine Cup, as long as nandoon si Junior Fajardo, it's not only predictable, it's inevitable. Mahirap kasi. It's like moving alam mo naman, Sus, if na-experience natin lahat when we try to move furniture sa bahay natin. Si John Murray, parang refrigerator. Ang hirap talaga. He's in the history of the PBA, yung mga malalaki sa atin, it's either kulang sa taba or kulang sa bilis. Junior Fajardo is 6'11" and 268 pounds. Kaya nga sabi ni Henry, Henry Galinato, si Galinato yung player ng TNT, hindi basta-basta yun, malaking bata yun. But then he himself said, wala talaga silang sagot kay Junmar. Now, as it pertains to the Commissioner's Cup, yes, of course, may chance ang San Miguel doon as long as the key here, as sinabi ni Marshall Lassiter, kakuha sila ng import. If they can get a good import, remember, in Commissioner's Cup, if I'm not mistaken, unlimited height to. And then we have a guest team coming, so the competition would be superb. So kung makakuha sila, pero yung San Miguel kasi, sa napag-alaman ko, kung makuha sila ng import, they have so many faucets to draw talent from. So kung makakuha sila ng ex-NBAer or isang veterano from the EuroLeague, I think they can compete. Kasi all you have to do is find that piece. Nandoon na yung mga surrounding components as we can see with yung panalo nila sa nandoon na si Brondial, then you have Motal Tua. Ang laki talaga ng San Miguel. They are almost a complete team, Zeus.